tested over 200 EX with my team, and these 9 will make us rich. They are perfectly diversified and they all make above 2% a month. At number 9 we have the Dark Gold. So we've been trading in a $1,000 live account for quite a long time, and it already made above $300 with a very steady performance and small drawdowns. That's a withdrawal. At number 8 we have the Happy Forex. It makes 2.76% a month and we've been trading it over a year. It tends to stay in a floating loss a little bit longer, but because of its underlying strategy, it's trading 2 assets simultaneously, it always recovers. Number 7, Market Master, trading the euro dollar. It makes above 3% a month. Not very active strategy, but it has the edge. We have requested withdrawals 2 times and the drawdowns are rare. Together with the Dark Gold, they are the 2 expert advisors with very low drawdowns, 14.27 and 16.75 for over a year. At number 6 we have the Japan Strike. Even though that's just an MT4 version and we couldn't backtest it properly, it turned out to be one of the best expert advisors with a steady 3.7% a month, over 1200 trades and 404 days of track record. The Japan Strike is quite a steady expert advisor with requested withdrawals, but the growth rate is very steady. Number 5, Infinity Trader. It's trading on a $1,000 Black Bull account, and we always use the ECN Prime account that offers spreads from 0 pips and commission is $3 per site with no minimum deposit. This expert advisor uses AI as a filter. We've requested 3 withdrawals, but the drawdown reached 50% at one point. Number 4 is the Multipayer Expert Advisor that nearly doubled the account with 6.87% a month, and this is the most active expert advisor with above 700 trades. The track record shows how stable that expert advisor is, and recently in this account we're trading just the Euro Yen, which gave us lower return but very stable performance. And we're in the top 3 now. That's where it becomes interesting. Number 3 is the Happy Index, another Black Bull account where we make nearly 7% a month with a drawdown of 20%. We are trading here steadily the famous US 30 or the Dow Jones, and this expert advisor uses fixed grid, which doesn't make it risky. At number 2 we have the Happy Gold Scalper, which already made more than the initial deposit, 130% gain, 7.5% a month with just 27% max floating loss. A very steady performance from the Happy Gold, even though it's not a grid martingale but a scalper. And the winner is the Dark Titan, over 10% a month for 250 days, 20% drawdown. We've been trading the New Zealand Cat in this account, and we saw trades being open for quite a long time in this account, but they recovered and we make above 10%, which is kind of incredible, isn't it? And all of those you can find in the example portfolio. So all of these accounts are trading different assets, building a very well diversified portfolio with an average of 3.6% a month. And if you want to learn how to combine expert advisors into one account, check out the premium program. I'll leave a link down in the description.